What's up, guys? Mikey in the building. Hope you guys had a good day, like always, right? I traded a couple names today. MIRA, which was the fail for me. Break even on that. I made like 740 on it. Nothing too crazy. I thought maybe we'd potentially get um, a liquidity play out of this one. Maybe firm 310s, and then maybe swipe higher. But it just did a micro clear out and then trading sideways. So still, I'm gonna keep this on watch for potential. Maybe it'll catch the next day, Friday or Monday. Who knows? So that one was really quick for me. I saw that there was so much hidden sellers and asks on this one, so I immediately got out. Once I soaked on here, I thought it was gonna swipe, came back down. And then I kind of, averaged up a little bit. And then once this failed rotation right here, I got out. So, yeah, I made a little money here, averaged up, and then stopped out on that one. But biggest trade for me today was POAI. POAI. Nice little 30% return. Um, Daily perspective, too. You know, uh, big day view up on this one. 528 was 230s. This did gap up over a lot of stuff, but when this started to open up and sustain this is when I started to have confidence. All right, this structure right here. All right, to me, we didn't really break or get. We didn't really break this structure it had pre-market. All right, yeah, we're under this, but we're trading in this area where we're still above a lot of other structure. All right, it's a lot different from the MRA when you're looking at it from a structure standpoint, where once this started to break, from the pre-market structure it had, stop it, stop. Okay, once this started to break underneath that, now we're underneath all of this structure. Okay, so it was something just to consider and look out for. Maybe something that I look for. But on the book wise too, couple of reasons. I took 213s and then I sized up even more into 230s because of that daily on that one. All right. Here goes the reason why I took that dump. Right. To me, looking left, we're still in an area where sellers are getting absorbed and we're still not breaking down right here. So when we retested this, because there wasn't a lot of bid follow-up, this is a super aggressive move up and a super aggressive move down. That's that dump candle right there. Once I started to see this stall and sellers get absorbed right here, that's when I started accumulating the 213s. All right. After that, I took my 230 ads, which were up here. Okay. Right into here. And then once this bidder came in right here, I got super excited. All right. I was actually sized into this one pretty big. Um, the big thing for me on this trade, was the fact that we started to reclaim this dump. So that was that dump candle I showed you on the book, and that 230 level on the daily. All right, we started to reclaim this, and you always got to think a little bit differently. Um, to me, this is how I think when I'm trading. You always got to think like if they want to liquidate, right? MMs, algo, whatever it is, right? Yeah, you know, they want to sell into a lot of pressure, right? So if you can trap shorts, they're going to cover, so they're going to be buying, and then you can start selling into that, right? If you're going to trap or fake out longs, right? Maybe longs get stopped out, and now they're chasing. It starts to go. They're chasing, right? People are chasing this move up. Eventually, people are going to start selling into that, right? Or dumping into it, liquidating, filling short at a higher price for a better return, right? So, there's just a different way of thinking on these. I've seen a couple of structures like this. I know LIDR, a little bit different, but LIDR was a name, that kind of dumped a few times and then it reclaimed back on 510 on that day. Let me see real quick. Go to my manipulation. Oop, the bell. It's time for me to work out. Let me see. A little different. You know, LIDR. Again, I don't think this one broke the structure, but there's a bunch of dumps. A dump right here, and it kind of holds, sustains, and then it starts to curl and rip. Um, maybe not the best, but a little similar in my eyes. We started to fake out longs over and over and over again, and then to me, shorts got trapped. Anybody trying to short these quick extensions up here, and then up here, and everyone's sitting in these lower highs right here. All right, so that was a great trade for me. It was 30% on 21K, so that was a nice return on that one. I am swinging serve. Wow, big brain. I want to see this thing squeeze out so bad. I took a position on this one, super cool, on the day that they dropped their offering, and I started to see it soak and did not break down on that one. Where do we go? So I'm actually really hyped. I have an 804 average on this one. Once I saw this offering and then on the book too get reclaimed, so this breakdown, it started to re-soak on this. That's when I went long on that. So I'm gonna see how this one pans out. Probably looking for a huge clear out of 1389. Hopefully they don't do it at 4 in the morning. If they do it in after hours, I'll definitely be ready to scale some. But that's all I got. Just a couple trades. MRI failed, but even though still a little $700 win, kind of stopping out and preventing it to go against me. So, and then that other name, 30% return. But hey, that's all I got, guys. Sick week already so far. Ready to keep the momentum going. All right, much love. Peace out, Mikey.